Is this me now? Is this me? Is this me? What I mean when I say comes to Santorini. Yeah, zinc with everything. I'll give you another updated video when I have all the anything in the mirror so that you can see me. Beat it.
Yo, we are in Greece and this is where I am staying. Oh my gosh, this view is just amazing. Just look at all these beautiful blue. Oh my gosh, I feel like a boss right now. Yes, Mina the traveler. Let me show you how my room looks like. Oh my.
So hi guys, this is my room in Santorini. I just actually let me open it so that it can be nice and. So basically this is my view in Santorini. I just came and it's hot. Ooh, look at the swimming pool. Look at the white buildings. Huh? It's Santorini, baby. It is Santorini. So look at the decor here. I'm a little bit tired and I need to go and get, what is this? Go and freshen up because I'm hungry. I can't be in the room. As much as I love the room, I can't be in the room. This is my bahasi. So we don't need to go there. Okay, it's empty. Safekeeping rules. Okay. What is this? Let me touch. This is what I mean. So this is from the door side. If you go from the door side, oh yeah, you can come to Santorini and you don't have a hat. I don't know about you, but yeah, for me, I definitely need a hat. Let me switch off the remote. So this is from the door side, and then you have that thing and your little thing that you need to put in, and then you look upstairs, just look at the decor. But so far this is my purse. This is what I mean. This is what I mean when I say comes to Santorini. Yes. So I'm staying at this hotel. Let me give the full name, and then you also have some free water here. So you get some free water and tea making, and if you want to order something, but for now I think I need some street food from here. And let's go. We are already done here where you put your key holder in, and then it's the bed, all Greek style. I think I also make paintings. I'm such a copycat. But yeah, and then you look here, there's another bulb here in your bedroom. It's so kind of cavish, so kind of, the way that they did the decor, it's like so kind of, Okay, let me start. So from the door side, this is what you expect. The door looks a little bit like, kind of crystals, but not really crystals because it is wood. And then we have here this. Girlfriend, is this me now? Is this me? Let me make it in the mirror so that you can see me. Beat it. Huh? Yes, we're gonna beat it like Michael Jackson. Indeed. And from here, it's just from the back side with my purse here. So the place where I'm staying, there is my laptop because I need to be doing editing at night. So this is what I used. This is just my flight from Amsterdam to Santorini, and the hotel where I'm staying at is that. So that is the hotel. And the bearing, okay, the bearing is just, is this a rock or what? Yeah, I don't know, crystal. And the mattress, okay, crystals and mattress, interesting. And then we have our TV here. And then we have to park here. I don't have energy for this one because I will need to go and cook. And then we also got some slippers here. Not cook, I need to go and buy something at the street food vendors. So now we come here, the mirror. So this is the bathroom. I love the bathroom. It's so kind of cavish, so kind of, I don't know. It's just my style. This is what I mean. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So we have the towels there, and then we have that, and also we have some extra, and then the thing for your hair. Okay, and this is just the bathroom. It's already disinfected, that's what they will tell you, and that's what they did. So yeah, just look at these guys. Inspiration, definitely inspiration. Yeah, so this is my shower. I don't know how should I put the whole full thing in. Maybe I should do like this. Yes, here you will see all the details nicely. Okay, yes, and then we have some of this. If you didn't bring any lotion with, we have olive oil, shampoo gel. I'm gonna try all of this. Really, I don't need conditioner. And yeah, so my view from that side, it will look like this. The zinc with everything. I'll give you another updated video when I have all the energy, because right now I don't feel like I have the energy to do this. It was a rough day. It was a rough day, but I love you guys so much. So yeah, I'll see how the footage come out. If it doesn't, I will definitely need to repeat this. Definitely. From this side, this is how the rooms looks like. From this side. I'll also show you another view on how it looks at night. My favorite part is here, and the bathroom. Definitely bathroom is my favorite. With all these lights, it makes you feel like galaxy something. It makes you feel like, come here.
Watch my next video where I will take you through the streets of Santorini, where we will explore the road and the food and the different people. Yes, watch that next video. I'm done with the room tour. Ciao, ciao.